Today's Quranic word of the day is Dhikr. Dhikr means to remember and can also mean to mention. One of the names of the Quran is Dhikr, as it contains important reminders for us to reflect upon. Dhikr can also refer to the remembrance of Allah. Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, and Allahu Akbar are all types of dhikr. By saying these words of dhikr, we remember Allah's greatness in our hearts and mention it with our tongues. One of the greatest benefits of making dhikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is told to us in the verse, فَاذْكُرُونِي أَذْكُرْكُمْ. Remember me and I will remember you. And we should beware of being like the hypocrites who do not remember Allah even when they pray. So make as much dhikr as you can and reap the benefits in this life and the next. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.